Hi, Nicole here at Continental Sewing Center, and today we are going to talk about the Durkee Easy Frame Combo Pack. The Durkee Easy Frame Combo Pack does work with the Brother and Babylock 6 and 10 needles. It also works with the Brother Persona and the Babylock equivalent. In the combo pack, you will receive your bracket as well as 7 frames. Let's get talking to them. To get started, I would like to show you what I recommend using to hoop up your items. Today we are going to use our Peel and Stick Stabilizer, our KK Spray from Ganold, and our Cutaway Stabilizer. And don't forget, all of these items will be linked right below us. If you have any questions, let us know as well. So we are going to take our Peel and Stick Stabilizer and our frame. We will peel the backing off and stick it to the back side of our frame. And then I take my Cutaway Stabilizer and stick it right on top. I trim away the excess. And I take a light coating of my KK spray to the top of my stabilizer. Make sure you do this away from your machines. Your machines will be very happy. In your combo pack, you will receive 7 frames. The first frame is going to be our radius frame. It is shaped like a baby bib, and that is what I would use for this item. Make sure you always do your trace outline when you're using these hoops. And there is a nice little reminder on the top of your hoops as well. The next hoop is my favorite hoop. It is the 8x8 frame. And I would use this for all of my kids' birthday shirts. It fits perfect for those beautiful designs. The next window I would use is going to be the 5x4 window. And I would use this for baby onesies. So that way I can get that sweet little design right there on the top. Or I could even do a sweet little design on the tush, because these designs are becoming quite popular. Next, because it is that time of the year for all sports things, cooling towels. And these fit perfectly in your 3x4 window. And you can do it at all angles with these hoops. Another sports is doing the designs on the back of your hats. Right there. And this would be my 2x4 window. You can also, with that 2x4 window, do the design on the side of your hat. Doing sleeves of sweatshirts right by the cuff is made very easy with your 2.5x4 inch frame. It slides right in that sweatshirt cuff, and you're able to get right at the seam allowance. And last, doing bags. This makeup bag is made easy with my 7x5, either which way you want to call it, right there on the front of my makeup bag. Remember to like and follow right here at Continental Sewing Center, and all of the links are going to be listed below, and we're always here to help answer any questions.